Hello student, today I will explain you for loop. What does it mean? For loop is a counting loop as it repeats certain number of times. That means in for loop you have to specify that how many times you have to repeat the instruction written in for loop. One by one I will explain you programs, and by this way you can understand the for loop very well. For example, I want to print a star 5 times. If you are not using loop, then how will you print this? Simply you will write print and I am making copy paste it 5 times. Control enter to execute. So you can see the star 5 times. But if I want to use the same with the for loop, then simply how will I use this? I am deleting it once again, and simply how will you use for? You will take a variable a in range, and how many times you want to repeat the star? 5 times. So you will take 5 because it will start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the purpose of range function? Range function generate a list of according to the number that you specify. Suppose if I have written 5 here, so it will generate a list from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will take less than 5. Okay, minus 1 index it will work. Suppose if I am giving, I don't want to start with 0, I want to start with 1. So I need to specify the starting index also. So it will goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Always it will take minus 1 step of the last. अगर मेरी लास्ट इंडेक्स 5 है तो ये 4 तक जाएगा. अगर मेरी लास्ट इंडेक्स 11 है तो ये 10 तक जाएगा. और ये होती है आपकी स्टार्टिंग इंडेक्स कि आपको रेंज स्टार्ट कहाँ से करनी है. अगर आप स्टार्टिंग इंडेक्स नहीं देते हैं तो ये 0 से स्टार्ट करता है. फाइन. सो लेट्स बिगिन. Colon, and what you want to do, you need to specify your loop statement. I want to print a star. You can use single or double quotes and control enter to execute. So you can see the same output has come. I have print 5 star. Now how the loop is executing, just see. For a is my variable that is getting the value from the range function. The starting with the 0. First of all, when the loop begins, your value will be start with the 0 and 0 will be assigned to a. And what you want to do? You want to print a star. So 1 star will be print. Next, here it will come on 1 and 1 will assign to a. And what you want to do? You want to print star. Again next star will come. So it will go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 until your range will go till 4, and when it will become 5, the loop will get terminate. Now next example, suppose I want to print a counting from 1 to 5. For a in range. Now you want to start 1 to 5, so I have started 1 to 5 hai, so that means last index will be 6 colon, and what you want to do? You want to print counting. That means you want to print the value of a, because our range function is generating numbers and it will assign it. So I will print a. See, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How it is executing? First of all, range will start with 1. 1 will assign in a and print a. That means 1. Then range will goes on 2. 2 will assign in a. Then it will print 2. The so on 3, 4, 5. By this way, you have shown counting from 1 to 5. Now another example, suppose I want to print a table of 2. So how are you calculating table? 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. That means you need to use a loop from 1 to 10 and each time you have to multiply it by 2. Now this time I need to execute loop from 11 because table is from 1 to 10, 2 10s are 20, तो हमें लूप कहाँ तक चलाना है 11 तक, और ईच टाइम हमें रेंज की वैल्यूज को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है 2 से. So see the output. So you can see the table of 2. Now here how this loop will get execute. 1 will assign in A and 2 into 1, that is 2. The next range will goes on 2 will assign in A, then 2 into 2, that is 4. By this way the complete table will get executed. Now suppose I want to find out the sum of first 5 number like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. What will be my answer? It will be 15. For A in range first 5 number है, that means 1 to 6, colon, here you will take a variable to store sum and initially the value of sum is 0 because अभी तक हमने कुछ start नहीं किया है. Sum equal sum plus A and C. अगर मैं यहीं पे ही सम को प्रिंट करवाती हूँ तो क्या आउटपुट आता है? ओके, you can see that on each step you are seeing this output. Like earlier the value of sum is 0 and loop will start with 1 to 5. Okay, then 1 will assign in A, sum value 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. Fine. Then range function will goes on 2 some value. Right now the value of sum is 1 plus 2 is 3. Next sum value is 3, next iteration 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 4 is 10 and 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay, so your answer will be 15. The value of the sum of first 5 number is 15. And if you are printing sum outside of the loop, now see the results. Now this time you can see the final output because till this step it will execute, and when it reach to 15, loop will terminate, and after terminating this statement will get executed. Fine. Now suppose how to use for loop to work with list. Suppose for 1 2 3 and colon control enter, so you can see the output 1 2 3. This square bracket shows this is list and these are list items. So first item will assign in A, print A1. Second list item will assign in A, then 2, then 3, so on. So you can use for loop with the list also. The same way you can use for loop with the string also. Suppose I took a string, suppose I took name and for A in, now this time you want to work with string, so you will use your string variable. My string variable is name which holds Priya and colon print, and you are using the value of A. See the output. See. So what do you mean by string? String is a group of characters and each time it will take one index and assign in name variable. For A in name, that means name का जो first character है it will assign in A, then it will print P, then R, I, Y, A. That means name तक आपका ये loop चलेगा. जितना बड़ा आपका name होगा उतने टाइम ये loop execute होगा.